Om Sri Saraswatya Namaha. Good morning, my dear students. Welcome to the English class. Today we are going to learn our class 8 workbook, exercise 6, articles. Basically, an article is an adjective. Articles modify nouns. Articles are a, an, and the. We use a, an for one out of many. We use a when the noun begins with consonant, and we use an when the noun begins with vowel. For example, an apple, an umbrella. Here is exception is consonant H is silent, so we used an or an honor. The is used for specific item. The umbrella in the bag, the cat in the tree. A and N are used in front of singular countable nouns which are not specific. A is used before a consonant sound, N is used before a vowel sound, so they are called indefinite articles. The is definite article. The is used to refer to nouns already modified, mentioned. It is also used before specific or unique nouns. Superlative adjectives, some countries, family names, seas, rivers, and oceans, etc. The zero article means no articles. Is used before uncountable nouns, names of people, towns, places, islands, countries, continents, etc. Let's enter into our workbook. Exercise 6. Here are some translations, and we have to use articles a, an, and the. Rambabu was an honest man. The Samaj is an old Odia newspaper. He was listening to songs on the radio. The Pradhanacharya was inspecting the classes. The Mahanadi is the biggest river of Odisha. He is the best at mathematics. See the next page. Stars are twinkling or shining in the sky. The development of the poor is the development of the country. The USA is the largest wheat producing country in the world. He is reading at university. See number 2. Use the if necessary. Before doing number 2, let's know some rules for the use of the. We read the arrange, but the pen, because the vowel is in the beginning, so we sound the orange, but pen, P is consonant, so we use the pen. To give stress, we use the. When to use no article. To talk about things in general, we use no article. Milk is good for you. To talk about sports and games, we use no article. Before the name of countries, we use no article. But in general, in combined way, we use the UK, the US, the USA. But before Japan, France, Italy, we don't use the. Before the name of a language, we don't use article. Before the name of railway stations, when they are also place names, we use no article. Before the name of meals, we do not use article. For example, they invited some friends to dinner. Let's see question number 2. The Mount Everest is the highest mountain on earth. The summer of 1996 was hot and dry. Our friends, the Millers, moved to BBSR, means Bhubaneswar, last August. Smog is a problem. Smog means mixture of smoke and fog. I love the flowers in our garden. I always listen to the radio in the morning. Listen, Hari is playing the trumpet. Trumpet is a musical instrument. We visited grandmother in the hospital twice last week. Here hospital is used for another purpose, so we used the. Where did you put the collar you bought yesterday? Try to listen the cry of the poor. The headmaster is in the office. Hope you understand well. Write down on your workbook or in your grammar copy and try to remember.